Hi, my name is Bellamy. I've been lashing for 4 years. This channel is dedicated to all things lashes and beauty. If you haven't already, hit the subscription button down below. In today's video, we're going to be talking about common mistakes with your lash tweezers. So mistake number 1 would be having glue on your tweezers. Having glue on your tweezers will have the wrong grip when you go to fan or pick up a lash. So the reason why this is happening is because there could be glue built up on the sweet spot of your tweezer. The best way to correct this mistake would be using acetone on your tweezers. So mistake number 2 would be static on your tweezer. So the reason why that could be happening is because some lashes are made out of plastic, and when you work with lash extensions, there is static friction happening with the lashes and on your tweezers, and when you go to place a lash, it could get stuck to your tweezer. So the third mistake would be dropping your tweezer. Once you drop your tweezer, it is in the tweezer graveyard. You can no longer use it. It is a goner. So the reason why it was sent to the tweezer graveyard is once you drop your tweezer, your grip will be completely off. So you won't be able to work with lashes anymore just because they're so fine, you won't be able to pick them up anymore. So the best solution for this would be buying duplicates of your tweezers and also keeping the plastic protective sleeve cover on your tweezers as well. So mistake number 4 would be thinking that all tweezers are made equal. So the reason being that this is a problem is because angle tweezers are more for fanning and straight tweezers are more for isolation. For instance, I use Rainbow Babies for fanning and Magic Mics for isolation. When it comes to tweezers, make sure you test all of them because there is personal preference to all your tweezers. Mistake number 5 is that your tweezers could lose their grip. So the reason being why this happens is that you are constantly putting your tweezers through wear and tear. You constantly have that death grip on your tweezers, so that can cause them to dull down over time. This can also cause extra problems for you as a lash artist because you have that death grip on those tweezers. It can cause hand and wrist problems. So the solution for this would be to keep an eye out on your tweezers, especially if you bought cheaper tweezers, it can lose that grip pretty quick. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it brought a ton of value to you. If you're interested in becoming a certified lash artist, go to LivBayLashClass.com and find us in a city near you. Question for you, what is your favorite tweezer? Go ahead and leave your answers in the comments down below, and we'll see you in the next video.